Okay, a short update what I have been up to during the winter with my winter projects. So mainly I have done nothing with my sailboat, but I have done some improvements to the small electric boat that I have built. I have sanded it down a bit in some places just to make some better finish. Also I have changed the electrical connections to have some better one. XT90 I think the name of them. They are more secure, sit better, and this is how they look like. So right now I have just two test battery, but it will be larger battery later on. I have also installed like emergency switch, just like outboard have, so you can start the engine like this. You see the engine is running, and then you can remove the switch and it stops. What else? I have installed like a carpet in the bottom of the boat that feels really nice to have your feet on. Hope it feels nice for the kids. I wish I could have a carpet like that on the side, maybe sit on. I don't know if it's sucking in some water or not, but it feels really nice. So those are the things. So right now I have painted just with some primer. It will look the same pretty much like before, but with a bit better finish. Also yesterday I signed up for the Silverrudder. It was possible to sign up 1800 hour yesterday evening, and it was full. The race was full before 30 minutes. I think I was like number 300 to sign up after like 4 minutes, so very impressive. That's the big thing to aim for during the summer. Still cold outside in Sweden, like just a few degrees above zero, so freezing, still freezing. Also I will experiment a bit with navigation that I will put here. I had a tablet last year, but I have improved that a bit, so you will see some more updates related to that. And I have also tried to navigate a bit with the BNG navigation app and see how that will work out. I haven't done too much with the sound here, but we can turn it on and you can hear how it sounds like. Still the V8 sound, really nice. That's about it. I will try to make some videos more often now, maybe show some improvements with the electric powerboat and other things. But thanks for